How to get Instagram's secret features early. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on your profile at the bottom right. In here, click on three lines at the top right, which will lead you to settings. In settings, scroll down. Simply scroll down and search for early access, which will be in your app and media. If you don't find it here, open Play Store, search Instagram and click on Instagram. After you click on Instagram, simply scroll down in here and you'll find Join the Beta. Click on Join. As you can see, if you join Beta, you'll find new features. Press on Join again. After that, you're good to go. You will get new features early, and this is how to get Instagram's secret features early. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.